Good morning. It's a Sunday. And I'm late. So this is what I do every morning. Kilay is life, mga friends. Okay, dito tayo. So this is what I use for my kilay first. Taas natin lahat yung mga kilay na yan. Oopsie. Oops. Hirap ah. Ito, ano to? GRWM. For that kilay. So, dalawang klase daw yan. Yung isang, itong gold, and the other one is silver. Apparently, ay mas nag-hold daw itong rose gold na ito. So, ito ang gamitin natin. Pantay na ba yan? Okay na yan. Late na tayo. Tapos, ewan, ito binili ko sa Don Quixote. Para sa mga kalbo. Kahit late, kilay is life. Mabilis na lang pag natapos ang kilay. Yep. Matagal siya. Kasi kalbo na yung dulo. Dati hindi uso ang kilay. Kasi makapal pa ang kilay ko. Ewan ko ba, ngayon manipis na siya. Baka matanda na ako. Let's see. Thank you for watching last night's episode of The Upper Room with Pastor Doc. Thank you. Hindi pantay. Burahin natin yan. May time ba magbura? Walang time magbura. Okay na yan. A bear. Yung right kilay, always perfect. Itong left, always not perfect. I don't know why. Why it's always thicker na lumalabas. Sige lang. Ay, ba yan? Hirap. Okay. Kaya ng tissue. So, thank you, Pastor Lowell, for this, anong tawag dito, pin. And this one is from the General Assembly. Siyempre, kinuha ko yan sa asawa kong chairman ng conference. Salamat, akin na lang yan. So, ganyan ang itsura ni Pastora kung walang makeup. Di naman ako as in fully made up, but, you know, para naman hindi magmukhang bagong gising. Pero kailangan ko na mas magmadali kasi it's almost 7 and we have to leave like 7:20 in the morning every Sunday para makadating kami sa Santa Maria ng exactly 9 o'clock. So if there's a delay, we're gonna be late. So I have to move faster. Then, after the kilay, I do my skin prep. And most of my skin prep now is from Japan. Kasi, una, mas mura siya. Pangalawa, maganda naman mukha. So, I do my toner first. There. I don't use cotton for years already since pandemic. So, I use yung mga disposable ones. Like this. And this. Yan, mga disposable cottons. Which I can reuse every day. Pinapalabhan yan every day. Sa leeg, don't forget. Okay. And then, I have my vitamin C. This one is also from Don Quixote, of course. Grabe, kilay pa lang 5 minutes na. Ano ba yun? Kasi kailangan i-cut yung video na yan about kilay dahil masyadong mahaba yun. Okay. That's vitamin C on our face. Yan, yan. So, yung vitamin C daw will remove the blemishes. Remove ba? Lighten the blemishes. Lahat yan, okay? And then, I use also the niacinamide here. Pero, naka-ano na siya. Maliliit na siya because para ready na for travel. But, ito siya. Skintific Skin Niacinamide. Tama ba yan? Ayan. So, yan yung malaking bottle niyan. So, I only put it in small ones para pag aalis, meron na kaagad. Ayan. When I was in Mary Kay, we were taught that you have to use the weakest finger. Apparently, itong dalawa yan. Okay. So, the fourth and the third, and especially this, kung kaya mo ganyan. But I use my ring and middle finger para haplusin yung mga fesslock na yan. Oh, where is it? Okay, and after that, I use my, ito rin, Tony Moly. Ganito itsura niya. Yan. For my eyes sa umaga. Gold 24K snail. Yan yun. Ayan. Okay? That's for the morning. Because I have a separate one at night. Ayan. Diba? Ang daming nilalagay. But you have to trust the process. I don't really have a fully made up face. But I have a fully prepped face. Ganyan daw siya. Ayan. So, I have been doing this since I was in high school. So, noon, uso pa yung mga Eskinol. Si Mommy always buys us some skin regimen. Kung ano-ano lang. I don't remember some, but I don't remember the others, but what I remember is Eskinol, Ate V. Eskinol yan. And then, don't forget the sunblock. Always, always sunblock. So, I use this sunblock from Anessa. This one. Okay. So, I placed it here in small bottles. Para nga, on the go lagi ang mga gamit ni Pastora, Doktora. So, I just put some on the face. Distribute po. Ganyan. And then, I have to tap it like that. Yes, makintab siya. But, what do we do? Ganyan talaga. That's why, mamaya makikita nyo anong nilalagay ko para, ano ba, konti pa. Para hindi siya makintab. So, I double the sunblock. So, merong ganon, and then merong, this one is Biore. Biore na nakalagay lang dito. The blue one. So I spray all over my face and the ears. Don't forget the ears, the neck, the nape. Kasi lahat ng aarawan, kailangan lagyan ng sunblock. And then I use my, like this, to dry it. Kasi, you have to dry it. Ideally daw, bawat lagay, dry, naku, wala akong oras. Kaya yung ligo ko mabilis lang. Pero yung face, to prep the face before you put all the foundations and everything, ayun ang tagal. So, it took me like 10 minutes for the kilay and the face. Lakasan natin para mabilis. So, that's what I do. Ang kintab, di ba? Hindi tayo pwede lumabas ng ganyang kakintab ang face. So, meron tayong nilalagay na primer from BLK. Ay favorite primer. Yan. Kasi may SPF 50 pa siya. Di ba? Winner. Oh. So, that's what I use. Apply it all over again my face para ma-mattify niya. Then, yung aking kulang na lang prinitong mukha. Diba? Oh, instant blur. Lahat yan before, and then it also protects your face. So, meron na siyang SPF 50 pa. Diba? Shout out kay, yun nga sa BLK. Wait, Ann Curtis. Oh, diba? Hello, friend. Baka naman. So, here you go. This is the prep before the makeup. Okay? In the morning, I usually have like konting sipon because allergic rhinitis. So, ito, ganun din yung pangalan niya. GRWM, Get Ready With Me, na pang, ano nga tawag dito? Pang alis ng color corrector. Yun. Yes, thank you. Naisip ko siya. So, this is a color corrector. I place it under my eye para sa mga nagmamagandang medyo kulay dark circle. So, apparently, ayan, ganyan. O, diba? Yan yung nilalagay natin before the foundation. So, ang dami. Grabe naman. Ano ba yan? So, wipe natin yan. And then, I use this Tear. I have several foundations actually. So, I have Tear. I have, ano nga to? Ano nga tawag dito? Tom Ford. This one is a stick. Yan, ganyan siya. Yan, stick. Yan, pag nagtatamad ako, so I use this Tom Ford na stick foundation. Ganyan siya. Luma na. Or, this one na galing sa Sephora. Too Faced, I think. This is Too Faced, I think. Na Born This Way. Yan. These are the foundations that I use. So, for today, I use Tear. Usually, I use Tear kasi very natural siya. Yan. Konti lang. Put here. There. This one kasi is the lighter one. So, I put the lighter shade sa middle. There. Just dab it. O, ang puti naman, di ba? Trust the process. Mamaya, magkukulay. Ano na yan? Kakulay ko. So, ganyan. That's why I like Tear kasi para siyang merong syempre lahat yan, hindi yan sponsored. Wala naman tayong sponsor. Sponsor myself. Okay, so yan. O, diba? Medyo makintab siya ulit. Hayaan mo na. Mamaya aayos yan. So, that's what I use in the middle, the tear. And then I use this Too Faced. So, sometimes I use the Tom Ford in the middle. Kasi lighter shade din siya. And then this Born This Way from Too Faced, from Sephora. Ito naman sa mga gilid-gilid. Yan. So, hindi kasi ako masyadong anong tawag doon, bronzer. Although I have, kaya lang, hindi ko siya everyday ginagamit. Diba? So, I have a bronzer naman na ang pangalan ay, ano ba to? Charlotte Tilbury. Yan. Ganyan na itsura niya. Nakabox pa rin ang arte. So, ito ang itsura niya po when you remove it. So, this is a bronzer. You use, yan. You use here, but I don't do it every day. Una, wala akong time. Pangalawa, hindi ako masyadong a bronzer girl. So, kamay lang din. I don't use any brush or sponge. Binigay ko na lahat kay Laika yung sponge ko. Tinatamad ako maglaba. So, I use my finger na lang kasi it's easier for me and parang mas, mas even when you use your finger like that. So, I just put the excess here on my neck. Ganyan. Okay. Okay, so I use my finger lang just to even it out. And then that's it. Yan na. So for today, I will use this also Charlotte Tilbury na pang blush. Ganyan din siya, stick. Charlotte Tilbury na stick ay Unreal Blush Health Glow Stick. Ganyan siya. Ayan. So, ganyan lang. Para mabilis ang buhay. Kasi anong oras na ba? 7:08 na. Oh my golly. Yan. Okay. So, and then, finger again. Do like this. There. So, ayan. Nung nandun ako sa US, bili ako ng mga ganyan para nakastock na siya sa buhay ko. So, sometimes I use this. This one naman, anong tawag dito? Patrick Ta for face. So, ganyan na itsura niya. Kasi naman, pag ito, when I use this, parang sinampal ka naman ng sobra. Ganyan lang siya. Ang liit-liit niyan, pero ang tindi niyan. Kumulay. So, ito lang. Dalawa siya. Meron siya yung cream blush and the powder blush. And yung powder blush, para siyang para kang sinuntok ni Pacquiao. Ay, ayoko ng ganun. So, during the day, I use my tear din na blush. Kasi yun, very, very light lang siya. So, madami rin akong blush na ginagamit. Depende sa damit. So, ito rin. Maracuja Juicy. Multi-stick na blush. Yan. Okay. So, these are the things I use. May number 7 pa. Merong NARS. Depende sa life. Ito mamaya. On top of this. Because after that, I place yung makeup mist from Don Quixote rin siya. So, yan, ganyan siya. Cozy. That's what I use for the face. Shake, and then spray all over the face. Para magstay lang yung makeup and foundation. Sure ako, kung hindi ako naliligo ng gabi, andyan siya hanggang kinabukasan. Ganun katindi. If you put it. You have to spray all over the face and then dry it. Dry. Okay? Tapos, after that, after the spray, I just put this Lux Organic na UV matte powder. Meron din siyang SPF 50. Addict ako sa SPF. Kaya, dahil sa sipag ko sa ganito, wala naman akong blemishes. Wala naman akong mga, anong tawag dun? Yung sa araw. Yan. So, I just do like this. To mattify. Kung hindi, para tayong prinito. So, that's what you do. Para naman yan, sa leeg ulit. O, diba? Parang wala na. Wala ang makeup. Ganun lang. Yung no makeup ang dating. So now I put the powder blush. Kasi kanina is a cream blush. So I put powder blush over the cream blush. Cream blush. Ito. Yan siya. Cream blush. Yan. Ganyan lang. Kasi ito meron na siyang parang highlighter. Diba? It doubles as a highlighter and doon lang. Iakyat natin siya. Okay? Luma na po. Paubos na siya. So, kailangan ng pa naman. Dami pa yan. And then, we put the eyeliner here. So, I use also this from BLK. I like BLK. Some products I like from BLK. I have the black and the brown. There. Yung brown dito sa ilalim. So, we put it under just a little bit para lang mabuhay yung mata natin. Yan, that's what we do. Hold on. There. See? Nag-iiba siya. Oh. O, diba? Para kang hindi na bagong gising. And then, I use the black on the upper lid. Yan. Bakit? Wala lang. Gusto ko lang. Ay, ano ba yan? Hala. Lumagpas. Oh, okay na yan. Ganyan lang po. Hindi masyado made up. Hindi pa masyado made up yan ano pa? So, I use this. The lash curler. Before I place my mascara, which I use almost every day naman. Ganyan. Also, this one is this is a Korean product. Baron Bliss. Korean nga ba to? Baron Bliss. But I also have this Can Make. Itong Can Make na to, na, ano tawag dito, na mascara. Hindi ko masyado ginagamit kasi pag ginamit ko yung Can Make na yan, parang wala nang, ang hirap niyang tanggalin. Parang forever na siya nandun. So yung daily ko, ito lang. Itong Korean product na to. Na nakalimutan kong bumili the last time I went to Korea. Yan. Ganyan lang yan. Okay? Oh. Ayan. Tapos, actually from pandemic, hindi na ako nagli-lipstick. Meron ako, iisa na lang ang natirang lipstick ko. Ito pala. Sorry, 3 pala siya. Pero, hindi ko ginagamit. So, I have a Tom Ford lipstick, which I only use for occasions. Yan. Ang ano niya is Casablanca. Ito lang. Ganyan lang. But I don't use this every day. Ayoko na siya. Ito lang pala. Yan. I use lang mga lip balm. And then, ito lang, NYX. Na hindi ko rin ginagamit every day. Kasi hindi na ako ng lipstick. And this Patrick Ta. ng halos parang lip gloss lang din siya. Yan. Ganon. Pag sinisipa, gamitin ko yan. Pero, the daily talaga is from Japan lang na ito. Ganyan lang siya. So, wala siyang kulay actually. Ganito lang siya. Ano siya, ayan o. Wala siyang kulay, pero magic. Ayan. If you use this, nagkakakulay ang iyong labi. That's it. Ang haba ng that's it ko Sa halagang 25 minutes ang aking makeup. So, the last one, I spray another one. Ito. Yan. And during the day, I spray the Alba on my face. Just so it will be refreshed, remoisturized. So, every day yon. From time to time, I spray with the Alba. Sa next vlog na lang yun. Pakita natin kung ano itsura niyan, the Alba na yan. Pero maganda siya sa face. Okay? So, the last one is some accessories. Simpler. Simpler the better. Wala masyado tayong nilalagay na accessories everyday. Wala na. Tinamad na ako sa mga accessories. Dati talagang accessories is life. Ngayon hindi. Just my earrings for the daily. Especially on Sundays. Keep it simple. It's 7:17. So, I have 3 minutes. So, just my watch and my earrings. And my 2 pins as a worker. As a worker of God. So, every day, this is my prep before I leave for church and for clinic. So, usually in the morning, I wake up at 8:30. Late ako magising kasi late ako natutulog. But at every Sundays, I wake up at 6. Take a bath, dry my hair, prep my face, and leave by 7:20. Every Sunday. So, that's it. Blessed Sunday, everyone. Have a beautiful Sunday. God bless you all. Thank you for watching.